Hi, this is Roxie and I'm doing a quick tutorial on how you can upload videos from your mobile device to your YouTube channel. So first step, make sure that you're on the right account. A lot of people have many different accounts. So you're going to see my account right here on the top right. So you're going to click on that right there. If you're not on the right account, you're going to see right here where it says switch account. Just press it and all your email should pop up. So just click on the right one. If you are on the right one, then go to my channel, right? And you are going to go right here on the top right also where it says upload, right? So you are going to click that video camera right there, and all the videos that you have on your mobile device are going to appear. So let's pick let's just pick any video. Let's pick this one. You can put a title there, enter to win, whatever you're naming your video. I just put that name there, enter to. And this is only for me to create this tutorial, so I'm just gonna put enter to win, complimentary vacation. Okay, that description here. In this case, I'm not gonna put anything. Just I want to show you how quick and easy it is for you to upload videos from your mobile device. All right, so then you are going, actually, some right here, make sure that it's in public, not unlisted, otherwise people cannot see the video. Okay, and then you're gonna go up here again to the right on the top, and you see that blue arrow right there, and you're going to just click it, and it's going to upload your video. And that's it. Your video is uploaded. And it's that simple for you to upload your videos to YouTube using your mobile device. Have a wonderful day. Hope this video was helpful.